everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today we are playing Bloons Monkey City once again. And today, well, you can see I've made some progress. Yes. I've now got another bank. I've got a few more windmills. I got a watermill. I've got the tack shooter and the training facility for it, which I still haven't trained at. I should do that actually. I haven't been training lately.
And you have another banana farm?
I have another banana farm.
We should really make more videos of that, Michael. Because you just did way too much.
I don't have enough cash. Actually, before, I had a problem that I had too much cash. And now I have a problem I don't have enough cash.
Yeah.
So, that's weird.
Well, why did you have a problem?
I just had too much cash. I couldn't do anything.
What do you mean you couldn't do anything?
I had too much money. I couldn't get anything.
What do you mean? You can only get something.
I couldn't get more money. So every single time that I received money from a chest, I wouldn't get it.
Well, then why didn't you spend it?
Because I had nothing to spend it on.
Then why didn't you do levels?
Oh my god. And why didn't I do levels?
Yeah.
I don't know, because that doesn't waste your money.
I do it. So you can buy stuff.
Level up? Okay, just stop arguing with me. I'm making a YouTube video.
Dude, I'm trying to help.
Okay, I know you're trying to help, but please. Let me just, dude. I'm going to get a ninja. Still haven't got that yet.
This is actually hard to get to stuff now.
How many rounds are there on this one? Oh yeah, I forgot. I got the sniper now.
Why can I not find a single stem anymore?
So now I can shoot everything no matter where it is.
Michael, it's so long for me to find stems on this thing.
Yeah, well, once they get bigger, once the tree gets bigger, then you're going to have to look through a lot more big connected stems.
Still, it's that tree. You know that. Is it way not moving?
No, I think you just ran it into the side of a wall
Oh my god.
on the tree.
Why did it have to be like real?
I don't know. Because you decided it to be right there?
No. That was stem of a tree.
So are you connecting or transporting yourself?
Transforming or connect. At least.
Both.
Yeah, both.
Oh, dang it. I'm an idiot.
What?
I really hope you can do this. No, you can't. I got a water place. I got like a water area to place my ninja monkey place on water.
What?
So I'm an idiot. So you're connecting it to that one. Are you sure there are no closer ones?
No.
You're sure there are none?
Yeah, there isn't.
Okay, well, you said no when I asked. So that tells me you're not sure. So you didn't really look around.
I am. Oh my, I'm so high.
What the heck is wrong with you? You went so far so fast. You're like, wee! And then once your little feet touch the ground, I'm on round 4 out of 5. I don't know why it's so easy. I only have a sniper and two dart monkeys. Well, there we go.
Wait, no, I'm not.
You're not gonna make it.
What do you mean?
Oh my god!
No.
Okay, so now I am going to place a ninja thing here. And while that's loading, I am going to place a ninja dojo.
And guys, I have a giant plant. Oh
yeah, a giant plant.
And the game's called Grow Home.
Yeah, Grow Home. It's only $8 if you wanted to download it. It's really fun. Basically, you're just trying to make a plant grow bigger.
Yeah.
That's the whole game. Just make a plant grow bigger. Trust me, it is more fun than it sounds.
Yeah, it is. And it's harder than it sounds.
Yeah. Trust me, there's a lot more to it than just... I mean, you don't even water the plant.
Yeah.
You think once you hear making a plant grow, you think giving it food and watering it.
Yeah, you don't.
That's not what this is about.
Yeah, you see it. If you're watching my video.
Yeah, he's making a YouTube video right now. On it, what was it called, Ryan?
Grow Home, the biggest plant ever.
Grow Home, the biggest plant ever. That's what it's called.
Yeah.
Check it out, because that plant is huge. He's making a live stream right now, actually, just like I am. He just doesn't have any voice. He's not talking in a mic. Got that done.
This is so cool.
Now I can place down a ninja dojo.
Do you think I'm ever going to make a video?
So I've got a ninja thing here, whatever that is. Done what was it called? A ninja adobe. It's 30, so I can't do that. So I'll actually have to watch a video here.
I hope you can take a pouch.
I'll watch a video here. I know I really shouldn't be watching videos, but with what this is, I mean, I just have to watch videos. I like skipping everything.
I do this for internet.
I just like skipping everything, so that's why I watch videos and stuff for it. That I can wait on because I won't use the tack shooter that much. This I can't wait on because I want to upgrade my ninja monkas.
Yeah, me too. Why do you do that?
Yeah, and just so you know, he's a level 5 and I'm level 7. I've been playing this. He's been playing Grow Home, which I've only got past the first 4 stems. And he's got past 10.
Not 10.
Yeah.
Oh, stems.
Yeah, what'd you think I said?
Forms?
So now I can upgrade it. Should I do ninja disc line? Sharp shurikens. I'll do ninja disc line. Wrong one.
Go! Make it bigger!
Please stop.
I'm making it bigger. That's why I'm saying make it bigger.
I know. That's why I'm saying please stop, because it's annoying.
Make it. No, make it.
Make it big.
I'm so close!
It's like that's all you say all day. Make it bigger, make it bigger.
I'm so close, Michael, look. Like, this is kind of like an actual plant. Boy,
Yeah, it's pretty close to an actual normal plant, huh? That's the biggest thing ever. And you're saying it's pretty close to a normal plant.
I think that's
Good luck with proving that as the truth.
Because it's not.
God,
Oh
if you think that thing is a normal sized plant, you are insane. I mean, you're probably from a different planet if you think that is a normal sized plant. You've got to be from a different planet if you say that. That thing is humongous.
I know.
If you saw it, you would understand why I'm saying all this about one plant.
What it is? It is humongous. You are right.
It's the biggest plant in the world.
Well, people have to call me maybe bigger than this.
I know, but that's a game, you know. If this was in real life, what do you think people would say if they saw it?
Oh my god, this is so big!
You think?
Yeah.
I don't think they would even say that. I think they would just